Hello, friends. Myself, I'm Faraz. I'm a freelance online tutor. I teach biology because I have done masters in biology, in zoology. So today, I'm going to teach a chapter of class 10th biology that is named as life process. First of all, we are going to discuss about the life processes. Life processes. Life processes are those processes which are required for a living being to stay alive. These are the processes, these are the processes which ensures the continuity of life of a living being. There are several life processes which are necessary for a living being, for a living being, like like number one, nutrition. Number two, circulation. Number three, respiration. Fourth one is excretion. These are the different life processes which are compulsory, which are needed, which are required for the life of a living being. Now, out of these, we are going to discuss first topic, that is nutrition. So, what is nutrition? Nutrition is a process in which an organism take food inside to get energy and to get alive. These types of process is known as nutrition. So, the process of intake of food by an organism in order to get alive and to ensure the continuity of life is known as nutrition. So, this is the process of intake of food by an organism in order to get alive and to ensure the continuity of life on the earth. This is known as nutrition. So, every living organism requires food for the life. Every organism require food for life on earth. Basically, nutrition is of two types. Nutrition is of two types. First one is autotrophic nutrition. Second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which an organism takes or prepare their own food without the help of any other organism. Its names also resembles its definition. Auto. Auto means itself. So the type of nutrition in which an organism prepare food itself. For example, green plants. So this is a nutrition. This is a type of nutrition in which an organism prepare its food itself without help of any other organism, like green plants. Now, heterotrophic nutrition, it is just opposite to the type of autotrophic type of nutrition. The type of nutrition, the type of nutrition in which an organism, in which an organism cannot prepare food, cannot prepare food, but takes from other organism. For example, human being. For example, human being. So, heterotrophic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which an organism is totally dependent on the other organism. They cannot prepare their food because they are helpless. They are not having the ability to prepare their food, but they takes their food from the other organism, like human beings, like animals, cat, dog, elephant. These are the heterotrophs. So, heterotrophic nutrition is of several types. Is of several types. Heterotrophic nutrition is of several types. First one is saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition. Another one is holozoic nutrition. Then next one is parasitic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which an organism takes food from the dead and decaying organism. The nutrition in which an organism takes food from dead and decaying matter. Like, for example, for example, fungus. Fungus is having saprophytic type of nutrition. Now, holozoic nutrition, the type of nutrition in which an organism takes whole food as solid inside the body and break it into simpler form. Like, for example, amoeba, human being, etc. So this is type of nutrition. Holozoic type of nutrition is a type of nutrition in which an organism takes whole food as a solid inside the body and break that food into the simpler form and absorb it for the further assimilation process and gets energy from that food. Now, next one is parasitic type of nutrition. This type of nutrition, this type of nutrition is that in which an organism depends on other organisms for food and give harm to that organism. For example, here lies. Here lies. So in this nutrition, the organism is totally dependent on the other organism, which is known as host. And this organism is known as parasite. So parasite takes nutrition from the host and give harm to that organism in just in turn. This type of nutrition is known as parasitic nutrition, like hair lice. Hair lice are present in our hairs. They take nutrition, they take food from us and give us harm. So this is all about the nutrition, which is also a type of life process. We have discussed here the type of nutrition, definition of nutritions. So I hope you got what I have discussed with you, and thank you for that. I hope you would like it.